How much coding do you do? Now think about whether you're really harnessing the full power of Visual Studio Code. This isn't just a text editor. It's a powerhouse tool that can transform the way you approach software development. How so? Well, the secret lies in its extensions. These extensions are not just frills or extras. They're like the magic ingredients that turn a good dish into a great one. They provide support for various languages, Git integration, advanced debugging features, theme customization, and even productivity-enhancing tools like intelligent auto-completion. Imagine a world where you can manage Docker containers, perform code analysis, and get specific support for web development and popular frameworks all in one place. And what if you could also facilitate testing and validation? That's the world that Visual Studio Code extensions invite you to explore. So, if you're using Visual Studio Code without extensions, you're missing out on its full potential. Now let's dive into the world of Visual Studio Code extensions. These extensions offer a plethora of features that can streamline your development process and boost your productivity. For instance, there are extensions that support various languages, from Python to Rust to JavaScript and beyond. This means you can write, debug, and compile code in your preferred language, all within the same development environment. Then there are extensions that offer Git integration. With these, you can perform Git operations, such as committing changes or switching branches, without leaving Visual Studio Code. This seamless integration can save you precious time and keep your focus on coding. Additionally, some extensions provide advanced debugging features. These can help you quickly identify and fix bugs in your code, which can be a lifesaver in a large-scale project. And let's not forget about theme customization. With the right extension, you can personalize your development environment to match your style and preference. This can make coding a more enjoyable experience, and who doesn't want that? But the magic doesn't stop there. Some extensions offer productivity-enhancing tools, like intelligent auto-completion. This feature can help you write code faster and with fewer errors by suggesting completions as you type. Next, let's talk about extensions for testing and validation. These tools can automatically test your code and validate it against predefined rules, ensuring that your code is not only functional, but also adheres to best practices. There are also extensions that help with Docker container management. These tools make it easy to build, manage, and deploy Docker containers, an essential task in today's cloud-focused development world. And for those who work with web development and popular frameworks, there are specific extensions that offer tailored support. Whether you're working with React, Angular, or Vue.js, there's an extension out there that can enhance your workflow. As you can see, every extension has its unique features that can significantly enhance your coding experience. Let's take a moment to summarize what we've discussed. Visual Studio Code extensions are not just add-ons, they're game changers. They can turn the tide in your favor, making coding a breeze and even a joy. From supporting various languages, integrating Git, to providing advanced debugging features, these extensions have you covered. They offer theme customization and productivity-enhancing tools like intelligent auto-completion, turning your coding environment into a powerhouse. The right extensions can also provide testing and validation, Docker container management, and code analysis. For web developers and those working with popular frameworks, specific support through these extensions can be a lifesaver. The potential benefits of using the right extensions are vast, transforming your coding experience from good to great. Remember, the key to becoming a more efficient developer is to leverage the right tools, and Visual Studio Code extensions are a big part of that. So go ahead, explore these extensions and take your coding to the next level.